Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the angle between the line and the plane. Okay, listen very carefully. This green color line which I have drawn is the line which we are considering, and suppose if this is the plane, the rectangle, parallelogram like we draw plane, correct? So that is the plane. If theta is the angle between the line and the plane, we are going to calculate that theta. Okay, now this is, you will be given the equation of the plane. So what is the equation of the plane? Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. So if the equation of the plane is given to you, it is very easy to calculate the normal to the plane. How do you calculate? As I told you, just the coefficients give you the normal to the plane. A plus bj plus ck will give you the normal. Now, I know this normal equation, and you know equation of the line will be of the form r equal to a plus lambda b, where b represents the direction of the plane. So this line is along the direction b. So is it easy for me to calculate this angle, which is nothing but angle between two vectors, which is the angle between the normal and the b vector, which is the direction of the line. If the angle between the line and the plane is theta, are you able to understand? This is 90 minus theta. Why? Think for a moment. Yes, because this is perpendicular to the plane, and this is also 90 degrees. Therefore, if this is theta, this becomes 90 minus theta. Now, it is very simple. Just find the angle between the normal and the b vector. So, how do you find the angle between the normal and the b vector? What is the formula? N dot b. Never memorize the formula. Actually, we are finding the angle between the vectors. So don't memorize it as angle between the line and the plane is given by blah blah blah. Don't memorize the formula, okay, which is not good for you. N modulus of n vector, modulus of b vector, and cos of the angle between them. Can you look at it and tell me what is the cos of the angle? What is the angle? 90 minus theta. So this is nothing but n dot b equals modulus of n times modulus of b. What is cos 90 minus theta? Is sin theta. So we have to just calculate sin theta, that's all. So sin theta is equal to, sin theta will be here, right? N dot b divided by modulus of n times modulus of b. I put a modulus over here totally for the sign, because whenever we do angle between any two things, as I told you, we always do the acute angle. We do not tell the obtuse angle. So acute angle means it is positive. So I want to get the answer in positive, but sign is positive in second quadrant also. Please remember that. But we specifically give the positive answer to get the answer in the first quadrant. Okay, so how will you find the angle between a line and a plane? So use the same formula. It is the angle between the normal and the direction of the line. What is the normal? This one, the coefficient. If you put ijk for the coefficients of x, y, z, you will get the normal. And what is the direction of the line? Direction of the line is b. So you find just the angle between these two vectors, but you will write sin theta, because that if theta is the angle between the line and the plane, the angle between the normal and the line becomes 90 minus theta. That is the reason. Or you can even write this step and proceed. Find the angle between them, but write 90 minus theta and you can proceed also. So understand the concept, imagine this diagram while doing the question, and then do. Then only you will be able to handle the twisted questions or hot questions. Okay. If you just memorize the formula, it will be difficult for you to identify the tricky questions. Okay. Now we will do a problem. Find the angle between the line. Find the angle between the line x plus 1 divided by 2 equal to y divided by 3 equal to z minus 3 divided by 6 and the plane 10x plus 2y minus 11z equal to 3. So what is the direction of this? The denominator represents the direction of the line, you know that, but only when it is in the format. What do you mean by the format? The coefficient of x, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, all should be equal to 1. Is it 1 here? Yes. So what is B vector for you now? B vector is the direction. We never change the letters because you should not get confused. 2i plus 3j plus 6k is the B vector. And when the plane is given to you, what is the normal to the plane? You know, coefficient of x, I plus coefficient of y, j plus coefficient of coefficient of z, k gives you the normal to the plane. So I just need to find the angle between these two. But I write it as cos 90 minus theta, or I can write it as sin theta. That's all. So what is the rule? How do you find b dot n dot b? Both are same. B dot n is equal to modulus of b into modulus of n into cos of 90 minus theta. So what is b dot n? 10 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus minus 11 times 6. And what is modulus of b? Square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. Coefficient of this square, 3 square, 6 square, times what is the modulus of the normal vector? 100 plus 4 plus 121. And what is cos 90 minus theta? Nothing but sin theta. And your left hand side calculation is 20 plus 6 minus 66, which is minus 40, equal to square 7. This is 49. Okay, so root of 49 is 7, and this is 225. Square root is 15 into sine theta. So what is sine theta is equal to? Sine theta is equal to negative 40 over 7 times 15, which is same as negative 8 times 21. So when I want to tell the value of theta, I say theta equals sine inverse of positive 8 by 21, because we need to give the positive answer. Do you understand? So whenever angle between the line and the plane is asked, just imagine the picture which I drew there, and angle between the line and the plane is just 90 minus of that. The angle which we calculate will be 90 minus theta. Okay, so because 90 minus theta is sine theta, we just write it as sine theta undo. Remember to give the answer positive because we want only acute angles. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you.